The atmosphere in the courtroom was thick with tension as Terrence Jones sat at the defendant's table. His calm demeanor exuded an air of quiet confidence, despite the mocking whispers from the officers standing by the door. Officer Kincaid leaned closer to his partner, Officer Morales, a sneer plastered across his face. "Looks like he'll be spending a long time away," he chuckled, not bothering to lower his voice. Morales joined in, their laughter echoing in the otherwise silent room. Their amusement, however, seemed perplexing to the experienced judge presiding over the case, whose curiosity piqued. It was well known the judge had a keen eye for character, and from the instant Terrence had entered the courtroom, something about his assured footsteps struck a chord with her. The trial was set to begin, and as everyone settled in, the prosecutor asked Terrence to state his name and occupation for the record. Without a hint of hesitation, Terrence declared, "Terrence Jones, Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation." His voice was a resonant mix of authority and composure. Gasps filled the room, including a sharp intake of breath from the officers who had been mocking him. They were instantly silenced, mortified by their earlier behavior, as the gravity of the situation settled over them. Terrence's eyes met the judge's, an unspoken understanding passing between them. He had volunteered to be part of this mock trial, an exercise designed to uncover biases within the law enforcement community. It was a test, one that Officer Kincaid and Morales were severely failing. As the mock trial unfolded, Terrence illustrated his point with precision, guiding the officers and others in the courtroom to confront their prejudices. His composure radiated throughout the proceedings, converting the courtroom into a space of self-reflection and, ultimately, growth. By the end of the session, the officers approached Terrence, apologies spilling forth. Terrence accepted them with grace, affirming the exercise's critical role in their development. Back in his office, Terrence reflected on the day's lessons. It wasn't merely about hierarchical power or authority, it was about humanity and recognizing it within each individual. What had begun as a trial ended as a teaching moment, etched in the minds of all who witnessed it. A reminder that respect, rather than prejudice, should guide their actions.